This is about the current energy crisis in Sri Lanka. As a result, there are electricity or power crisis as well. So, in order to overcome this problem, I think Sri Lanka must seek technical help from Department of Energy in the United States of America. And also, since the arrival of the ships in the Colombo harbor have to wait for some time until the Colombo government, the Sri Lankan government pays the money for them to, so thereafter they do the delivery of the oil. So under these circumstances, since the most of the ships have to wait at the Colombo port, I think it is important for the government to see a better proposal that I submitted several months back, to have a pipeline of crude oil, one for crude oil, other one for different oil in the world. So to deliver them through the pipelines from India to Sri Lanka. So now, for example, the current telecommunication link between Sri Lanka and India effectively reduce the cost involving telecommunication calls and other transactions between India and Sri Lanka. So similarly, Sri Lanka needs to connect to the oil grid of India, and then connect it to somehow to go for a refinery in the northern province of Sri Lanka, so to process the oil, the crude oil and other oils as well. So the government of Sri Lanka must negotiate with India to build a pipeline under the sea from India to Sri Lanka as a medium to long-term solution to the oil crisis. And also we can seek help from Department of Energy of United States of America, which has bipartisan infrastructure law where they focus on American workers, families and businesses in having more clean energy. Especially, we have noted that the Sri Lankan Department of Agriculture and the American US Department of Agriculture has agreed on agreement to provide, for example, technical support to increase the production of milk powder on a market oriented basis. That means on a profit oriented basis until 2024 with financial assistance. So similarly, Sri Lanka can go for a improvement to its energy sector, which is in utter chaos, from with the technical support from USA, and also practically to meet the shortfall these days to connect to the Indian oil pipe grid.